Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's March 27th, just gone 2 o'clock Central Time, and we've got the Rumble earnings tonight. And MUFC Baddie, I've uploaded your video. Your video is now done. You asked for... oh, hang on, where's it gone? What did I just do with that? Video's done. Oh, there it is. Yes, VAR Energy. It's uploaded. It's ready to be published. It's ready to go. We just can't publish it until we finish, and we've got Rumble earnings. So it'll go out tonight or tomorrow morning now. It's done. It's finished. It's uploaded. It's ready. It's processed. And we are looking golden. Now then, I've just managed to... finish uploading to Rumble, so I just need to go live on Rumble right now. So here we go, just bear with me, got to use my template. I couldn't do it because it was uploading, so I had to wait for it to upload, but it's now done. So anyway, Nicola's pretty good, isn't it? I'm going to look at Nicola in a minute. If anyone's got any Nicola, if you're an investor and you want me to talk about Nicola, send in the news. If you've got any news on Nicola, I'm going to make a Nicola video in a second. So if you want to do that, you might like to do that now. I'm just sending out to Rumble. So you've got about 5 minutes to send in information on Nicola if you want me to cover it. Wednesday, 27th. Right now. Yes, right now. Right now. Right now. Send to Rumble. Send to Rumble. Rumble earnings tonight. So I've got to be live on Rumble, right? Okay, now go over to Rumble. That's it. Waiting for it to upload. Take a couple of seconds. So if you've got anything on Nicola you want me to share, I will do a video on Nicola. NKLA. I put out the good news a couple of days ago that things were going to get good, didn't I? If you saw that, yep, 14% about the new Chicago plant. I did that. NKLA, Nicola. Right, I've got the information to Rumble now. So let me do that. 13. Boom. Put that there. Nicola. 2. Save there. My channels. 914 subscribers now on Nicola, on Rumble. We're just coming up to the magic 1,000, which will be nice. I don't know what I get at 1,000, but it's always nice to achieve certain goals. Come back to there. That's all looking good. Skip that. That's all looking good. Right. Okay. Rumble. We're up there. Live show's good. Right, Nicola. Now then, let's see if I get anyone send me any information in. Links for YouTube. Links for YouTube. Nicola. Mr. Mankey. Yes, yes, yes. From pilot to purchase, journey to their first 10 Nicola hydrogen fuel cell trucks which showcase the power. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I can put that in. That's good. Thank you for that. Let me see what else we've got coming in. I like that. Thank you, Mr. Mankey, for sending that in. Mr. Mankey. Yeah. I'm on it now. Okay, there you go. Mr. Mankey wants me to talk about Nicola, so I've got it. There it is. Okay. I'm up 48% on Tilray, mostly due to your video, so thanks. You're very welcome. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to provide news and information, not to trade myself, just to provide the best service to you. That's what it's all about, and that's what I'm sticking to. So I appreciate your membership and support to the channel. It's how I survive. Well, you're making all this money. It's great. I'm really, really, really thrilled to hear stuff like that. So let's do this. Nicola. I just put out I told everybody about this 2 days ago. This was going to happen. So where's the video? There it is. Right. Okay. Let's do it. So 7 minutes in. Nicola, this will go out later on. Nicola, 7 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's share that news. Okay. There's a fun Nicola rumor one could share. It's a rumor though. Thank you, Parson. Hey, Martyn Lucas, the penny stock promoting gambler. I lost a lot on Fisker. Thanks for that. Thank you thanking me for your trades. So I presume you're going to thank me for all the money that you've made when you've made profit, are you? So, you know, you're blaming me because of your trades. I haven't lost money. I'm always making money, and my members are always making money. It's funny how it's always the non-members who are always losing money. The members, the investors, the ones that do the research with me are all making money. That's why they're members. The ones that lose money aren't ever members, and they always blame somebody else rather than themselves. Well, we're all making money here. You're complaining, saying, thanks for that. Here is the penny stock promoting gambler. Absolutely ridiculous. I only invest in the S&P 500. All my money is in that. I don't pump and dump any stock. So what you're saying is completely nonsense and ridiculous. And we're all making money. You're not, but the members are. As you just heard here. And MUFC Baddie. I'm up 48% on Tilray, mostly due to your videos. So thanks for that, Martin. There you go. So if you're not doing your research and you're not doing your own due diligence and you're not paying attention and you're not a member and you're not active, then it's on you. Got nothing to do with me. It's not my fault you're losing money. We're all making money. My members are making money, and there it is. So do what you like, mate. All right? There's no pumping penny stocks.
Snowwolf 1999 has become a member, making money for the past 9 months.
Exactly. There you go. Exactly. It's always the non-members that like to come on and say, oh, this is rubbish, because they're not researching, they're not taking their time, they're not studying. MSK lost 50,000 on Fisker. Well, let me tell you about MSK, shall I? Because Leo Sudbury, he's been one of my friends now and a member now for about 2 years. Let me tell you, MSK has made a small fortune on this show through his wise investments. And to say he's lost 50,000 on Fisker is completely untrue, because Fisker is not over yet. People have made 10 and 20% on this very day. Today, people have made money today on Fisker. Maybe you haven't, but I bet you MSK has. And so there it is. That's wrong again. He has not lost 50,000 on Fisker because he's still in and it's still trading. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is he's made much, much more than that on his positive trades. So again, another non-member who doesn't know the facts, making up silly stories when I couldn't be more clear that I don't pump and dump stocks. Anyway, enough of wasting time with people losing money, the non-members. Let's focus on the members right now, the people that are actually making some money. Right, so here we go. And let me prove to you right now what I just said there was true. Are you ready? So non-members, you might want to switch off right now, because you won't like to hear this. Here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Nicola, NKLA, up today. No surprise. Why? Let me share the information. Because 2 days ago, I put out this video predicting this very thing. Shall we have a look? Okay, for the members, it went out early. For the non-members, they got to see it later. But there was the news. It's received 2,000 views already. It's 100 times our average. Extremely popular video. Just 1 day ago, nearly 2,000 views. What was it? Nicola. Good news. I put Nicola, Good news. I said the stock was going to do well yesterday. What happened for the members who got the information before? Well, the stock went up. No real surprise here. However, you might want to take some profit on this because people have been out of the money for a long time. I'm always telling people to take profits. If you take profits, you never lose. I'm consistently making money. My members consistently make money. Those that troll our account and non-members who don't do any research are consistently losing money. There's a pattern forming here. Anyway, Nicola, I've got some more news for you today. That doesn't mean to say, and I am warning you to take profits because a lot of people have lost money on this stock, so they'll be wanting to take profits from it, so you don't want to be left holding the bag. Here is some of the news, and I'm going to share it with you right now. So here we go. This is some of the news I want to share with you. Just out a few moments ago.
We're super to be here at IMC's Pacific Region headquarters in Compton, California.
Today we call a sustainability celebration.
You may remember this. I announced this news yesterday before this news came out that this was going to happen. Great stuff.
Sustainability is not something new for IMC.
We're allowing people to come into our space. Every attendee is able to come in, hop into this fantastic truck.
We're talking about from pilot to purchase, journeys to their first 10 Nicola hydrogen fuel cells. We opened up a new center. This was great news.
Take a ride around the block and really experience what we've seen over the last couple of months dealing with these trucks.
This is pretty smooth.
We had already deployed some BEVs in the Southern Cal market, so I started doing research on
this is looking good. Let's say a little bit more of this.
Hydrogen and Nicola-specific fuel capability.
Doesn't that truck look amazing as well? It's a good-looking truck as well. Looks very cool.
And then
This is a really good story, by the way. This is no surprise. The stock is up, but it's not up today because of this. It was up because the news yesterday was preempting this. So for those who bought yesterday, then you're very happy today.
the fit and finish.
Modernizing the trucking industry.
Great news. I'm loving it.
We're building more hydrogen fuel cell trucks every day at our facility in Coolidge, Arizona.
I believe in the technology. I believe that what Nicola has done is reinvented the wheel, and I think it is the future of transportation.
Wow, look at that. Could that be better news today? Such good news, and I'm really glad that I've been able to put that out. So there we go. Now, like I just said, exactly to the second I said it, people are taking profits and it'll probably drop. Why not take profits? Remember, you've earned today as much as you will earn in a year on the S&P 500. Why not? You're an investor at the end of the day, not a gambler. Our non-members, of course, are gamblers, but our members here are absolutely investors. And like I say, I can confirm, there it was. There was the video yesterday preempting what was going to happen. I'm really glad that came off. It doesn't always come off, but it kind of does most of the time. Good investing, good solid information is good solid information wherever you find it. There you go. Great stuff. You loved the video 100 times our average. Very popular video, and this one will absolutely explode as well. Great stuff. A lot of people now believe that this is the future and you're buying a really good company. Did have a really rocky start. The founder going to prison, making up nonsense. I am much more bullish now on Nicola. I think the way they're behaving now is very commendable, and I wish them the very best of luck. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll post more information if my members want me to cover the earnings. Anything else, I will do it. I'm here to serve my members. Get up early, go late in the evening. I'm here to grow the best, most live, most honest YouTube channel in the world, and for all of you to make money. I loving it. I am loving it. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there's that news. Now then, I'm glad that MSK is in because we had some trolls and some non-members in who are losing money, and they said, MSK's losing money when he absolutely isn't. You don't understand how the stock market works. He's simply down, as anybody is on that stock at the moment, but he's trading. And then someone, again, one of the let's have a look. Here it is. Leo Sudbury. To be fair, MSK lost 50,000. No, he hasn't lost that money at all. That's completely untrue. FSR was fun. Lost my ass at the end, but but I lose at the casino too. Learned a lot. I appreciate this channel. There you go. There's somebody who's lost money when I kept warning everyone to take profits on it, and he still appreciates the channel. There you go. What did Leo Sudbury say? Remember, I am answering non-members right now, but I won't be in a minute. I'm not here to make personal remarks, but how can someone make 15, 20% when it is up 1% today? There was lots of opportunity. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? The stock trades second by second, not 10 minute by 10 minute. There has been opportunity. Pre-market this morning, people made money on this. How do I know? Because I was in this studio at 6 a.m. this morning when you were probably in bed. People were making money and telling me they were making money. So you're incorrect. You're absolutely incorrect, Leo Sudbury. Incorrect. Let's have a look. I lost so much money today in the stock market and set new highs. Let's have a look. The ducks back in it. Ducks back in it. You line them up and just knock them down. I love it. I love when people come on and talk rubbish because it's so easy to discredit when people are talking rubbish because facts are facts. Knowledge is knowledge. Nicola in at 61, killing it today. Fantastic. Great. That information was out yesterday. I hope you watched the video and purchased. Correction, FSR is down 17.4 today. That is not a correction as far as I'm concerned. Let me go back to it a moment. I can't show it on here. I haven't got that screen available to me, but so I can't show that screen because it's not on Robinhood. There was opportunity to make money, and yesterday, and many of my traders did because they told me. So Leo Sudbury, I don't know really what you're talking about. Fisker lowered price on vehicles to clear out inventory. They did. The lady's seatbelt was not properly attached, guys. The lady's seatbelt was not properly attached, guys. I'm not sure what that means. Hello all, this is MSK, and I can confirm I have not lost $50,000 on Fisker, but I am down almost 50,000. Exactly what I said. And MSK, I was talking about you, that you've been a friend of mine and a friend of the shows and a friend of many of our members for a couple of years. And you've made a lot of money here on the show, as we all know. And I was telling them that you are not down, you are not out. If you've got those shares, you've probably been trading and making 10% yesterday as well. So, and overall, you are up. We know how much you're up because we follow all your trades and you share them openly and honestly. Unlike our trolls coming in, Falafel and the other guy, whoever he's called, they don't share anything. You've actually shared your live trades with everybody, your accounts with everybody. So we know how much money you are making. Anyway, let me carry on. Even if I do lose 50,000, that was my decision. Absolutely. Of course it was. Raman, do you hear anything? And by the way, every piece of information I've put out of over 3 years has been to benefit my viewers, not me. I don't own the stock. I can't pump what I don't own. I can't dump what I don't own. Second of all, I'm always live to back it all up. Third of all, when I make claims, I'll come back the next day and say, hey, look, I put this out yesterday for you. You chose to listen or didn't listen. That was up to you. I gave you warnings. I keep telling you this is not financial advice, even though what I'm saying is accurate. We don't just get some of the news. We get all of the news because my researchers and team send everything in. We debunk the bad stuff. We promote the good stuff. So the good information gets out there. So, more people watched the first flight of Virgin Galactic than any other channel on planet Earth, more than all the news channels. We had 23,000 watchers live. More people watch the earnings for stocks here than other channels. And there's a reason for that, because the information is accurate. Let me just change this a moment. Why's that gone to that? It's flipping nonsense that YouTube are doing right now. These bloody screensavers they keep doing. There's a screensaver thing going on YouTube. It's absolutely flipping rubbish. Let me bring that out a minute. They started this screensaver. People are kicking up because you can't turn it off. You're just stuck with this silly screensaver that you can't turn off. It's driving people bonkers. God knows why they decided to do it. without telling anybody or even giving any reason to it. Anyway, let's carry on. Martin, do you hear anything from a man who was a member of your channel? He had invested in a lot in Tilray. I think his name is Mohammed Kahani, if I'm not mistaken. He will be a millionaire by now. Absolutely right. He bought hundreds of millions of shares, didn't he? Allegedly. He never shared it like everybody else, but he was a gold member all the time, so maybe he did. Anyway, MSK. I decided dollar cost average like you are doing. Yeah. MSK's laughing because he knows that you've brought your average. You know you brought your average down, and the other guy's sitting there going, "I'm losing all my money." Right, there you go. The music soundtrack is too heavy-handed. Less is more. Like salt on yours. The music soundtrack is too heavy-handed. What does that mean? The music soundtrack is too heavy-handed. Less is more, like salt on your stew. William, I'm not sure what you mean. Please rephrase that. I don't know what you mean. We're not playing any music. Also, I took my 50% on end phase. I think I might know what you mean. When we have background music, it's 0 dB, the same as my vocals are. So when I start speaking, you got to turn it down because in between the shows, we have background music. And if we had it lower, you'd have background noise. So to optimize the quality, I 0 dB, it's called normalize at 0 dB. So the background music is as loud as my main content. So when I start the show, you just turn it down. I hope that makes sense. That's why it's like that. Also, I took my 50% on end phase and dropped some into Pfizer today. Congratulations. Dear, oh dear. IMSK, yes, that's the only way. Profit, always make profit. Always make profits. There's a reason why my portfolio is up from $5,000 to $50,024. I'm now at all-time high, $74,524. I've never done options, never shorted a stock, and I'm not in margin either. But yet I'm at $74,500, all from $5,000. Not so bad, eh? Right. So if I pay for a bronze membership, do my hands get purified and earn some respect in this channel? Hey, listen, it doesn't matter to me whether you remember or not. It's a couple of bucks. It doesn't make any difference to me at all. I'm not trying to sell memberships, training programs, or whatever. In fact, Leo Sudbury, when someone becomes a member, my workload goes up tenfold. $2 a month, I will answer every one of your comments, every one of your questions, allow you to poll my audience. I will review stocks for you. I will do earnings for you. I will go early if you request to do an earnings and late in the evening. It's not about me. It's not about if you become a member. It's about what you want. You don't have to be a member. All right. If you are a member, it's because you love the show and you're supporting the show. From what I understand, you don't seem to enjoy the show. So I would go and watch Meet Kevin if I was you, because he will sell you training programs. He will tell you what he wants to tell you to benefit his channel. It won't be about you. He won't answer your questions. If you go into a Meet Kevin or a Graham Stephan live stream, they won't answer your questions, guarantee whether you remember or not. They won't get up early in the morning for you. So it's not about me. I'm trying to serve you because I just want to do the best thing with my life. It doesn't matter to me whether you become a member or not. It's about what's best for you. If you like this channel and you can see value in it, which is why 98% of my live viewers are members, then become a member. If you don't like it, go and watch a channel that's there to promote the channel. My channel isn't about that. All right? You obviously just don't see that. You think it's all nonsense. And that's fine. I want what's best for you. Simple as that. Anyway. Thank you, Martin. You're very, very welcome. What are you saying thank you for? What did I do? Oh, I explained it. Yes. What is your AV for Fisker now, MSK, your average? Hey, MSK, what happened to your badge, mate? He's got two accounts. He's here with another account. No gambling, yet you told people to buy Fisker. Oh, here we go. I won't, honestly, I'll debunk every idiot who comes on the show. Faris Junaid. Again, Faris Junaid, I bet 1,000,000 to 1 is not a member. These are all idiots. Let's have a look. And I don't mind calling people idiots if they are. I can't see him in the chat. He's not a member. No. Anyway, Faris Junaid, no gambling yet. You told people to buy Fisker. Did anybody ever see, can anyone quote once in 3 years, I've told anyone to buy anything? Crickets. No, nobody's saying that Martyn Lucas told anyone to buy Fisker. So you just made yourself look like a right flipping nana because you've just come on and made an absolute untruth and the whole world can just see you saying it. So there you go. Keep adding fuel to the fire and let the flames continue to burn. God knows what that means. If you compare the casino to a stock market, you're a gambler. If you compare the casino to a stock market, you're a gambler. That doesn't make any sense, does it? Doesn't make any sense at all. I'm an investor. I only buy the S&P. I've never gambled in my life, and I'm not gambling now. Raman, is it getting difficult to buy as there are limits on eToro, but average is 17? Can you do analysis on Cronus sometime? Feel like they are undervalued and some big insider buys haven't moved up like the other cannabis stocks. Don Claddy, it is a member's perk, I'm afraid. If you want me to review a stock, I will review a stock for you. There is the membership link. Leo Sudbury, there's no pre-market in the OTC. Leo Sudbury, you're talking rubbish. You're talking rubbish. It's still available on some brokerages if you've already got the stock. If you've already got the stock, it's still available on your brokerage. So it's not over the counter completely. There are people who have it on Robinhood and they're still trading it. Doesn't show for me because I don't own it. So just because you can't see it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It is on brokerages that have that where you already had shares in it. So again, you're incorrect again. MSK, very good. 1%, 15 times is 15%. Exactly, loud work. That's one of the best quotes of the day. Yeah, if you consistently make profits, it adds up. Don't ever lose money. Cannabis stocks are just starting to warm up. They are indeed, Guilty Gunner. Fisker slashes ocean prices. Yes, we heard about that. To avoid bankruptcy. Like I've said, and I'll repeat it again for all of those trolls in the show today, it is not over. Fisker is not over. It is still trading for those who held the stock. Stop saying it's over, because it isn't. And you're absolutely right. They are fighting to avoid bankruptcy. They probably will go bankrupt. Again, I'm warning you, they probably will, but they have not. And there's opportunity to trade it. People are doing it all the time. There we go. MSK, the Green Gang. When I became a member, you can no longer. When I become a member, you can no longer call me a troll. No, not at all. Not at all. If you are a member or a non-member, whether you give me $1 million or nothing, if you say untruths, I'll tell you your untruths. I have banned, I think, two members. There were members who paid a couple of bucks, tried to spread false information, and we banned them. So I don't suddenly agree with your nonsense if you give me $2. Not at all. I had someone a lot richer than you offer me, God, how many thousands of dollars was it? Was it $5,000 or $10,000 to promote Tilray? And I said no. At the time, it was wrong. And he said, well, I won't become a gold member. I'll cancel my membership. And he was a gold member paying $30 a month. And I said, I don't care. Go somewhere else then. But you can't bribe me to say rubbish. There's no money in the world that can pay me to say anything. So you do what's right for you. Too late to buy cannabis stocks. No, I don't agree with that. Why we aren't calling you a troll? No, I never said he was a troll either. That's right. Hi, Martin. Robbie Cooper. Coin has some bad news today. SEC will go to trial with them. Robbie Cooper. Sensei will cover that on Sunday. Martin called me a troll a few moments ago. Rewind about 2:15 into the stream. I love this. Fisker lost track of millions of dollars in customer payments for months. Lost track. That doesn't sound good. Cedar, you are one of my members. Can you send evidence of that so I can report on it? I'd like to cover that. Sorry, my last two comments were about Nicola video you showed. Oh, on the Nicola video. Oh, well, okay. The Nicola video that I just showed had their own audio on it. I couldn't mix that audio. That was a pre-mixed video I was showing you. So, yes, I agree. Their audio quality was terrible. Like last night, the Robinhood presentation was rubbish. Great company, love Robinhood, but they are rubbish at presenting their earnings, rubbish at presenting the IPO. Their IPO, their cameras didn't work, their microphones didn't work. Last night was the same. Whoever's running their customer relations, their market, their marketing, their media, they're rubbish. I could do a much better job. But so yeah, Nicola's video was badly mixed. I agree. The audio was too loud, but it was pre-mixed. I can't do nothing about that. Anyway, so many cannabis catalysts ahead. If you aren't invested, you will miss big time. Just so you know, I believe that Tilray is a $40 stock. Just so you know, I'm being absolutely clear with you right now. I believe I've done the calculations. I value this company and it's a $40 stock, but that's on full legalization. That could happen tomorrow. It could happen in 5 years, 10 years. The government do not care about the timeline of investors of this stock. Not here to be negative, positive vibes. Absolutely. Always positive, but I will debunk anyone that says untruths. Anyway. Oh, Leo, please take your drama elsewhere. Oh, right. Bought some more. Now, Keviskals. Can someone remind me what Keviskals was saying this morning? Keviskals this morning was saying something that wasn't true. Can someone remind me what Keviskals was on about this morning? There was something. Can someone remind me? Anyway, bought some more Virgin Galactic. Not sure if they will remain Virgin after the Boeing lawsuit, but we shall see. Yeah. I've just put the news out. What now? That's just gone out. What now? Very, very bad news for Virgin Galactic. However, again, to balance, not pumping, not dumping, giving the facts. Nobody else will do it like this. It is bad, but I presented the other side of the argument. Boeing have brought the lawsuit, and this is why I waited 4 days to bring out this news. I wanted to check why Boeing had done this. I didn't just want to come on and say it's bad for Virgin Galactic, whether it is or it isn't. I want to know behind the scenes. And the fact of the matter is, Boeing have done this also, not only because they feel a grievance, but also they are desperate for money and they feel they could get some money out of this. So that is another reason why. I mean, I waited a couple of days to get the rumors and get the sort of word behind the scenes, and that's what I'm hearing. That's what I'm hearing. Now, some of this information, again, I've always told you, I have friends on Instagram, friends on friends on X, who I talk to. I get behind the scenes. Some of those things I can't share because they're private conversations. Some of the times I can share. But I've got to understand that Boeing are doing this as a bit of a desperation. They need some money as well. They are struggling as well. So there's more to this. There's more to this story. It's bad for Virgin Galactic, but it's also coming from a weak place of Boeing as well. They're not in a strong position themselves. I just wanted to be absolutely clear. And that's what I explained in that video I just put out. Let's have a look. What do you like better, Tilray or Cronus? Tilray. Tilray have a much better balance sheet. That's why. I don't like Erwin Simon. I think he's made some big mistakes with the way he's diversified too much. But I do think that Tilray Brands has a much better chance of surviving. Way better than SNDL and others like that. They're much better. They could buy them all out tomorrow. Hello all, Yardistick. Hello mate, how you doing? James Lacey, when will the Fisker shorts start buying back their shares? That's the question. Well, do you know how a short squeeze works? Let's have a look at it. FSR. So FSR. Here we go. Let's see what the short interest is right now. And we'll have a little look. Fisker. There we go. It's not delisted. See, I still find it. Let's have a look. Right. Here we go. This is the short interest. We've got 22%. Now, basically what happens is, James, and I'm sorry if you already know this, I'm sure you do, but I'll answer it for you anyway. There's 22% currently short interest. Anything above 20 is regarded as excessive. But remember, when we talk about a short squeeze, GameStop was at 100% when it popped. And basically what it is, and I'm going to really put it in basic terms, okay? Everyone is buying, you got the bulls buying the stock. You got the bears doing, they're short in the stock. They're betting on it going down, okay? They're buying contracts to try and drive the price down, put more negative pressure. And what happens is the price keeps going down like it's been going down, and the bulls keep buying, they keep dollar cost averaging, and they buy a little bit more, and they buy a little bit more, and the shorters keep shorting. And after a while, suddenly there's some good news. There's a positive catalyst. Maybe Fisker have now got some funding or whatever it might be, and they're going to be rescued, they're going to be saved, or not going private, not bought out. That's no good for you, the investor. But something positive for the stock happens, right? Suddenly, more bulls start buying. The stock price starts moving. Those that were shorting the stock are now in danger of losing their money, because if the stock doesn't go down like they predicted by a certain date and a certain price, they start losing their money. So what do? They either lose their money or they have to start buying the stock. So now you've got the bears and the bulls buying the stock, and it's like a champagne bottle that gets squeezed up and then explodes. That's essentially, explaining kind of how it works in a kind of way. And I like to use it. I like to use this analogy here. Boom, that's the shorts. It comes out the top, and then boom, the stock just keeps on going and going and going, and it all explodes all over the place and makes a right bloody mess. Anyway, that's essentially that's essentially what it's all about. So we've got a lot of interest, short interest, but we don't have enough volume, and we don't have enough upward momentum either. And there's no reason to do that until we get some good news. And maybe on April the 28th, maybe the meeting goes ahead, and it's a maybe. We don't know. People are saying it's been delisted. It hasn't. It hasn't been delisted. That's not true. It's still trading. People are still buying it. And oh, hello. Look at my portfolio again. Bloody hell. Well, look at this. We're going to be $75,000 tonight, because I'm just about to get paid about $400 in S&P dividends, by the way, which will not be auto-invested. That's the wrong thing to do. That's lazy, and I've explained why. I thought I was a member. Don Claddy. Don, are you a member, Don Claddy? Let's have a look. Yes, you are a member. Don Claddy, you are a member. You have a badge next to your name. You're a brand new member. You are absolutely a member. I thought I was a member. What level do I need to be? What level? Every level gives you different perks. I'm not sure I know what you mean. You are a member. Different perks, different levels give you different perks. What is it you want to know, Don? Have I missed something? Don. Let me scroll back up. Don Claddy. Is it Don Claddy? Yes, Don. Did you say something to me that I missed? I apologize. Oh, here we go. Can you do analysis on Cron? Okay. I missed this. I need to go members only mode. I'm trying to respond to everybody. I'll go members only in a second. In fact, I'll do it now. We've got too many questions that I'm missing. So to provide the best service, let me go to members only, and I can answer your question. There we go. We're members only now. So now I won't miss any more questions. Don, let me explain. Are you still here? Let me just make sure that you're still with me so I can, you are. Are you here? Are you here? I want to answer your question. So Don, when you became a member, did you watch all the way through on this video? It's important because it tells you what you get as a member. And I want you to watch it all the way through because it's important. If you don't watch it all the way through, I don't know that you know all about it. Right? Okay. Many, many perks that you get. I don't explain the perks on the show. It takes too long. There's too many. But so I don't want to spend 10 minutes talking about the reviews. I haven't got the time. But I do want to just tell you, if you watch that video, it'll answer your question. You asked me, can I do a review on Cron? I feel like they are undervalued. And the answer is yes. As a member, I can do a review for you, and I'm more than happy to do so. However, at the moment, the list for the free reviews is so long, I can't take any more. It's over 70. Okay, so I'm not doing any reviews at the moment for free on the free list. I just can't. There's 70. If I add yours to the list, it'll be too long. However, if people want to jump the list, they can do a super chat and they jump the list. I did 2 reviews today, and they're going out tonight, and then they're already done. 2 reviews today. The reviews, by the way, today, guys, that I did, I've just done. These are the reviews I've just done. I've done, in fact, more. These are all the reviews that people aren't aware of. Pfizer for Wadey, VAR Energy, MUFC Baddy, Zomedica for Jim Debussy's just been done. It's out. Skywater for Jonathan Santos. It's out. Salty Biscuit, SNDL. It's out. If any of you guys are in, let me know. I'll give you the link to this. Oxygen, Vincent Vosberg, are you here? That's out. Salty Biscuit, are you here? Jenny, are you here for Coca-Cola? Todd Fletcher, are you here? Jonathan Santos. If any of you are in, and there's more, let me know you're here, and I will give you your link to your video. So, Jonathan, Don Claddy, again, please watch the video and it'll answer all these questions. There's not a number I put on the super chat. It's up to you. The way it works is the one that's at the top of the list is Chewy, which is next. That'll be done first thing in the morning. I was doing it today, but we've got the earnings for Rumble, so I can't do 2 things at the same time. So I'll be doing it in the morning. That's my next one. And that has been bid a super chat of $10. So if you want your review done first thing in the morning, you do $11. If you do under 10 and above 5, because that's what's number 2, it will be done second. It will be done tomorrow morning for a fact. Okay, that's a definite 100%. Now, some of you might say, what about all the free reviews? We found out today, and I was really chuffed to bits, because I'm doing so many reviews for members, super chatted, many of the free ones are also getting done because they're getting done by someone who wants it done straight away. So if you're on the list, actually, you probably got your review done as well. Okay? All right. So I hope that answers your question, Don Claddy. There's a where are we? We've done all that. Cannabis stocks, MSK. Hi, Martin, how you doing? Coin, yeah, Sensei will cover that. So many cannabis catalysts, yeah. Bought some more Virgin Galactic. Let me scroll down. Trading under ticker symbol FSRN on the OTC market. I don't know why people say you recommend stocks. I haven't heard it before. Just because people see it on the channel, I think they take... Yes, of course. It's the way media works. People watch people on TV and they take it as that's what I'm going to do then. Well, you shouldn't do that. It's crazy. What level do I need? You don't need. It's any level. It's for everybody. And I plan to make Pfizer 25% of my portfolio. Pfizer, Wadey, the review is out. It'll be published later. It's uploaded. It just needs to be published. MSOS, pumping. MSK, not with me. So probably not on your T12 either. Ramen, we'll check. I know, friend. I'm your grumpy Gus in the peanut gallery. Tilray, going to be $10 a stock soon. I believe that could happen. However, I want to be absolutely clear, if we get a delay with the government saying, we put it back on the back burner, it can go right back down to 150 again. So if you've made 10, 20, 30% on a speculative stock, why aren't you taking profits? Why aren't you taking profits? If you can make what you can make on the S&P on any stock in 10 minutes, why aren't you taking it? Don't care about what you could have had. Remember what you have got. And if you keep making 10% over and over again, you will do very, very well. Don't get married to the stock. Anyway, you're still telling people to buy Fisker and time me out. Oh God. Okay. If this person continues making up lies, Mike, can you get rid of him? He's going, you're still telling people to buy Fisker. I am not telling anyone to buy Fisker. And if you continue with your rubbish, we'll just ban you from the channel because you're talking absolute nonsense. We haven't got time for you to try and use the channel to promote yourself talking rubbish, because all you do is advertise that you talk rubbish. I wouldn't go on life like that. It doesn't help you very much. He didn't. What you were saying and said goodbye. Yeah, thank you, Mike. MSK, you can also transfer your Fisker shares from Toro to T12 account for free. There you go. Now you're pumping Tilray. All right. As long as he's not being offensive, Mike, let him do what he wants to do. You know, but if he starts to lie, which he is, you know, we won't put up with much more of it. One more time, and your band says, Mike Raman, I will explore this. Thanks. Tilray and Sundial is what I'm holding. MSK, no problem. Hi, Martin. How's the cup coming along? No rush. Just trying to get an update. I haven't done it yet. It'll only take me about half an hour. When I get half an hour, I was doing some more of this tonight but now we got the Rumble earnings. I'm doing the Rumble earnings. So it will get done this weekend. It has to go out. Lance Strength can't wait around for this. I agree with you. I will get on it this weekend. That's a promise. Hi, Martin. What is the best way to send you an article regarding Fisker? Cedar. Let me have a look. Cedar, you are a member of my channel. Have you watched the video? Are you a member on Discord? Do you know how to be on Discord? That's how all our members send in stuff. Watch this video. It will tell you how to become a member and how to be on Discord and all the good stuff. This is why I keep telling people, please, please, please watch that video. It will tell you how to get on Discord, how to get upgraded, and all the rest of it. That's how you do it. You have to watch that video. Watch it to the end. Okay? It's through Discord. Become a member on Discord. Friend me. Here's the link, but this is the very short link. All right? I'm not going to explain it all now, but please, there's the link in the chat, how to become a member, but go and watch the video. There's no ads on it. Just watch it, then you'll know what it's all about. Okay. I'm here to get Discord app. I'm here. I have to get the Discord. Yes, you do. You do. And there's a Discord link. Watch the video. It'll tell you how you become a member. It's free for all YouTube members. And of course, we've got Ed Nevis's education, which is free. We provide that for free. All our scalp trades every morning. Kron might already be on the list. Kron is on the free list, I believe. But again, it'll be done straight away now. Here we go.
Dollar Kron analysis when you can. Thanks, Martin.
Okay, that is a top super chat. So that goes to top of the list. Have I got time to do it now? What time is the Rumble earnings? Let me see. That will jump straight to the top. Rumble. The earnings is... Let me just see what time the earnings is. The earnings is, I think it's 4 p.m. 4 p.m. we got 3:30. You've given me a super chat. You obviously want it done straight away. I'm trying to see if I can. And the answer is yes. Kron. Thank you for the super chat. Everybody put a like on that. Don Claddy. Don. Now, these will all rank we rank number one now for nearly all our stocks that we do. Kron. I've got to really move. Already watched the video. We are friends via Discord and link was sent to links for YouTube. Cedar Trees. Oh, aren't you already a member? Yes, you are already a member. That's how you do it. So yeah, you're already done. Are we friends? You've got a roll? Yeah, we're friends. Yeah. You've done it. Right. I've got to be quick. You said I can do it later. So you're okay with the morning then? Okay. It's the first thing in the morning. As I go live in the morning, I will do it. First thing. Thank you for very much. I appreciate that. But I was going to do it. I was just about to do it. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it very much. Right, that's very helpful. I was like, I'll try and do it now. Anyway. You joined for a bit and glad to see the beautiful banana heads is here. Thank you for clarifying. You're welcome. You can do it, Martin. Just 2 minutes to closing. 8 minutes to closing. I'm not sure what time, what your clock's doing, but it's it's 8 minutes. No, I was going to go through the bell. But that actually makes my life easier, not having to do it right now. Appreciate it. Fisker. Okay. Flipping heck. What's going on with this? Fisker. FSR at end. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I've got a very worrying, concerning Fisker story. And by the way, there are still people trading Fisker. It hasn't disappeared. It still exists. And people are still making money on Fisker, just to let you know. This is my portfolio right now. As you can see, we're breaking all-time highs again. We're about to hit $75,000 with a few $100 to come in on dividends at the end of the day. Very, very good day. Very, very good day indeed. But I need to cover this news for you. Just to update you with what's going on in Fisker. It's a very short video. We're about to end the show, ring the bell. We've got Rumble earnings tonight, but I just want to bring this to you. One of my researchers, one of my members, one of my team sent this in. Fisker lost track of millions of dollars in customer payments for months. This is a bit scary. Okay, this has just come in, just literally an hour ago. Fisker temporarily lost track of millions of dollars in customer payments as it scaled up deliveries, leading to an internal audit that started in December and took months to complete, TechCrunch has learned. The EV startup was ultimately able to track down a majority of those payments or request new ones from customers whose payment methods had expired. But the disarray, which was described to TechCrunch by 3 people familiar with the internal payment crisis, took employees and resources away from Fisker's sales team at a time when the company was attempting to save itself by restructuring its business model. Now then, before I read any more, I'm going to sort of balance this out. This particular website likes creating headlines for itself to sell its stories. It's like a daily sport, news of the world type newspaper in the UK. It tries to sell headlines because now Fisker is trending and everyone's talking about it. So why am I reporting on it? I'm reporting on it because we represent the family of Fisker investors, and that's important. But this is not something I condone, this kind of reporting, because at the end of the day, every company have internal issues, and as it said, most of it got sorted out. This really, in my mind, isn't worthy of a story. This isn't worthy of a story. However, because it exists and it's out there and people see this and get concerned, I am just covering it to put that side of the argument. This particular website likes this kind of story. Let's find something Fisker-ish because we can talk about it and get some traction on our website. And yes, you will watch this because you are, a lot of you like Fisker on my channel. However, I wouldn't draw too much into this. This isn't where we are today, and this isn't going to change where we are today. All right, so Fisker struggled to keep tabs of these transactions, which included included down payments in some cases, the full price of the vehicles because of the tax internal procedures for keeping track of them. According to the people, in a few cases, it delivered vehicles without collecting any. Right, the people again, a credible website gives names and it gives sources. It's just said some people said this. Some people said that. I can say some people say all kind of things, and it would be a complete waste of time. So anyway, I appreciate that being sent in, but I'm going to debunk that for what it was. It is a bit of dross on a website that is hungry for views, a bit like Marcus Brownlee trying to get a few subscribers. I have put this news out. This will come out as a video later, and I will even name it of something like pointless news. Don't bother watching this. I'll make the point, but I'm always here to put news under the microscope and bring it to you for things that you are interested in, because at the end of the day, I am here to source information for you as my viewers and the family. So I wouldn't draw too much into this. This is not why the stock's down. It's not why the stock's going to go up. And it's a bit of he said, she said, and they had a few issues. Well, we're here. Tim Cook had an argument with the tea lady. And the tea lady said, I don't like you, Tim Cook. I think your iPhones are rubbish. Breaking news. Let's put that on the news. Anyway, click above my head, down below in the description. Thanks for sending it in. It did make a bit of entertaining something at the end of the show. I appreciate every bit of information, though. Over here and over here. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Pointless news. Absolutely pointless news. But, you know, at the end of the day, that is news and people are looking at it and making assumptions about stocks and all the rest of it based upon this news. So it's important for me to cover it and kind of go, all right, whatever. Let's have a look. Very good dividend yield, 6%. Yes, and we explained it in the review as well, Pfizer. Make sure you watch that review. I gave it a very strong buy, if I remember correctly. Someone's going to go, no, you didn't. You said it was rubbish. Did I say it was a strong buy? I think I did. I put out 2 today. What was it? Yes, I did. I said Pfizer was a strong buy. I'm just checking myself. Yeah. Anyway. You won't see FSR on Robinhood anymore unless you currently hold the stock. That is correct. You can still do the FSR on Robinhood but can't buy. Correct. But you can trade. You can only buy Fisker on over-the-counter trading as FSRN. I still have 1,000 shares. We'll keep them to the end. In for a penny, in for a pound. Thanks for sharing, Martyn. You are very, very welcome. Thank you for being a member and providing me with that information. It'll make a bit of entertainment. Oh, bloody hell, I missed the bell. All right. Are you ready? Are you up? Are you down? I missed the bell by 10 seconds. Can I be forgiven? Yes. Damn right I can. All right. Are you up? Are you down? Rumble earnings around the corner. Around the corner. Here we go. Are you up? Are you down? I'm up again today. Up. 0.7%. I am up. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's see who wins the stock race. Rumble earnings coming up. Virgin Galactic, 5% today, 146. Very good. Palantir, down. Gold, up. The S&P, up. 0.88. Get in, get in, get in, get in. Can I sell my Apple yet? Amazon, 179.98. Apple, yay! What did I buy this for? It was free stocks. Doesn't show it. Shoot. All right, I've just got a couple of. It's just going up now nicely. Very nice indeed. Next year at Energy, 63.80. Look at that with high dividends. End phase. Oh, 10% today. Coca-Cola going up. J&J going up. Kenvue going up. Chevron going up. Tesla, I love it. Rivian going up today. McDonald's up. Google, Microsoft, Nvidia. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Nicola still going. There it is. We reported on it twice now. Twice you could have made some money. All right, let me see who's winning today. I'm up 0.7. Everyone's going to beat me. They always do. Let's have a look. We've got 0.32 Sheer Majors. MUFC Batty up 4.74, up 3.12, down 0.17, up 0.03. How come you're only up 0.03? What's going on with you? Eric B, if you bought something else that's going down the toilet, I am up 17% thanks to GCTS. 17%. Is that your overall portfolio or just one stock? Up 4.37, up 5.37. I think the winner is Matthew Kelly. Is Matthew Kelly a member of the channel? Matthew Kelly. Yes, you are. For 2 months now. Seth Houston, 6 months. You'll be 12 months soon. Dustin Turner's brand new. The winner then must be Matthew Kelly because I think Dustin Turner, that's not an overall portfolio. That's 1 or 2 stocks. So I would imagine the winner then must be Matthew Kelly. Congratulations to you. Yes, only 7 stocks. Yes, it's not a full round portfolio, so we can't quite include that. Congratulations, Matthew Kelly. Thank you for your honest trades. They're very good though. Oh, my portfolio is a pumping. Woohoo! Thank you. Give them a thumbs up. Look at my portfolio go. Yes. I've just received my payments. Voo. I must have done. No, in fact, no, it's still pending. I've got about $400 on here and the other account. Oh, lovely. Flipping heck. I could be $75,000 before the dividends. I've got $1. All my money's gone. Oh no, can it be true? Can it be true? All my money's gone. Robinhood took all my money. What's going on? Refresh it, you bugger. Come on, refresh. Taking too long. Now I'm getting stressed. Where's my money gone? Where's my money? Robinhood. It's not right. I got more than $1. What's going on? I got 50,000 in my brokerage account. I got 24,000 there. Come on, Robinhood. Don't tell me I've got $1 in my account. Am I worried? Just a little bit. Not really. It's a charting error. Give it a second. Hey, Martin, you're going to try and get pure gold Robinhood card. Oh, yes. Listen. I'll come back to that in a minute. Listen, folks. I'm disappointed. I tried to make sure everyone would get free shares today of Robinhood. There you go. Hey, hang on. Now it's 50,000. Hang on. Now it's 50,000. Come on. I want to see 75,000. Stop messing me about. Look. Come on. 75,000. It's a new all-time high. Stop messing me around. $1. I'm pretty sure I have more. Anyway, enough of this bloody nonsense. Just for a moment. We got to end the show because we got the Rumble earnings as requested. Okay, here we go. Pay attention. If you are in the United States of America, here is your link to claim some free stocks. Robinhood's giving away free stocks. There it is. Use my referral. I get some, you get some. If you're in the UK, click on my referral. I get free stocks, you get free stocks. There is the referral. Now then, do you want the bad news? I asked, there you go. It's fixed now, thank God for that. 74,948, which is going to be way over 75,000 when I get my my dividend tonight. So I'm very happy about that. Right, listen to this, folks. I'm very upset with you. I gave you all a link to claim a solid gold worth $2,700, a solid gold credit card. To get it, I have to refer 10 people, and then you use my referral to refer 10 people. There is the link in the chat. There it is. I'll give it to my Rumble audience. I'm about to do a Rumble earnings on Rumble. So you're going to get it on Rumble as well. So don't fear. Okay. But listen to this. I need to get you to go onto Rumble, create a Rumble, go onto Robinhood, create an account, and you need to become a gold customer like me. You pay $5 a month, but for $5 a month, $60 a year, you get 5.25 APY. You get 3% cash back on everything. You get 1% match on all the money you put on Robinhood. It's ridiculous. It's the best deal you've ever going to get, right? I mean, do the calculations. It's right there. But look, I'm disappointed. You let me down. I gave you the link. You're one step closer to a solid gold card. Yep, it's worth nearly $3,000, and all of you can get it too. But look at the bad news. I'm 9 away. Only one person signed up for gold so far. Now, you've all done it. You've all clicked on my referral for Robinhood, but you've got to go gold. It's only $5 a month. Sort it out. It's worth it. It's why I'm a gold member. Of course it's worth it. $60 a year for 5% on your uninvested cash, 3% on your cash back, 1% on all of the money you put in Robinhood. That's ridiculous. That's absolutely ridiculous. Plus, you get all the better charts, better information, blah, 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 blah. Also get instant... in fact, I'll just show you. Why am I telling you all this? I'll make it easier. Look, some of the gold perks. Is it on here? Hang on. Now it's not showing me. Bloody hell. It sometimes shows me on here. The gold perks. Oh, well. It's not showing me now. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's worth $60 a year. Anyway, there you go. Right, I've got to get off. It's Rumble earnings. So I'm a gold member on Robinhood already. I will probably do it. Well, you can't sign up for it if you're a gold member. You already are a gold member. But you need to share that link out, because if you get 10 people to sign up, you'll get a solid gold card worth $2,700 as well. Anyway, enough of this nonsense. I've got to stop the show. I want to get FSR out, Nicola out, and be back for a review. So, and earnings. This is what's going to happen. I'm going to send you all now to the 24-hour stream so you can be in there waiting for the earnings to begin. You don't want to miss it. All right, it's the Rumble earnings. I'll be live. I'm the small creator of the year. I've just won $500 on Rumble for being the small creator of the year. So let me send everyone to the 24-hour stream. I've just improved it again. It just got even better today. Oh, yeah. Have you seen it? Have you seen the quality of it now? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Getting better and better every day. I told you it would. One person came in, one of the trolls, came in and said, oh, this channel's rubbish. 24-hour chat. It's there to support everybody. We're now streaming in Ultra HD. The sound's getting better. A lot more work's going to be done, but it keeps improving, and it's there to support people. Have you noticed my mask on my face has got fixed now? It's much better, isn't it? Anyway, we're going there live now. Then I'll give you the link so you can hop into the Rumble earnings, okay? This is the Rumble earnings, so go there, chat, prepare. We've got a vote going on, about Rumble's earnings, and that's all good. So I've given you the link, haven't I? Yes, there's Rumble. It's a big drop. But no, it's not. Someone said it's a big drop. It's not a big drop at all. It's not. That's nothing. That's perfectly fine. Anyway, so there you go. Join me now on the 24-hour stream. I'm going to end this show. Be back as soon as I put out Nicola and Fisker. The earnings doesn't start for 50 minutes, but I always go early. The early bird catches the worm. All the lazy people, they'll come on at 4 o'clock. Oh no, I'll be live in a minute to get all the people to watch first. Now it's dropping. Right, so now I'm going to give you the link. Go and join me. That's it from me. Let me get out of here. Jump into the 24-hour stream. See you in a few minutes. You've got the link. It's set to take you there. I'll see you back in a minute. In the meantime, ta-ra, I'm going to get set up for the Rumble earnings plus your breaking news on Fisker and Nicola. Don't go away. Take care of yourselves and each other.